Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty. There is a new mining app just like Notcoin, like TapSwap that we have been participating in. Notcoin just ended and many of us don't know how to maximize our mining so that we can gain more. So as you can see my account at the moment. You can see this, that I am earning 5.49k every hour. This is passively, so I don't have to come here to be tapping all the time, so I only come once in a while. So this one good thing about this mining app. You can also do the tapping. You see, just be typing this image, this circle, this particular circle, just keep tapping it, and you see I'm tapping. When you start, you get +1 but now you see I'm getting +4. I'm tapping with 2 fingers at the moment, and you can see also you have to upgrade to increase whatever you are tapping here and to increase your passive income per hour. So how do you do this? We shall guide you on how to do this in this video. So the link to this mining app is in our Telegram channel, Crypto Bounty. So when you get there, simply click the link. This is the link. Hamster Kombat, click it. It opens up. Now click start. Once you click start, you will see this play in one click. This one, click it and then click start. Swipe it up to have a full screen. So allow it to load. Now, once it loads, just keep clicking this arrow until you see click, 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 then click play. So for being invited, you see you have 2,000 coin. This is 2,000 coin. Now you will have to become a CEO in one of the exchanges. So choose become a CEO. Okay, as a person, I love OKX. Okay, it's a good exchange. So I'll come here to choose which exchange I want to become a CEO. So I'll choose OKX. So OKX has been signed. So you signed the contract with OKX. Good luck, CEO. Here I am. So now, if I keep tapping, you're seeing I have just 1,000 coin to mine. You can see, and if I'm tapping, I keep getting one. So to increase what I earn, I'll come here and click this boost. Okay, click the boost. You see I can choose to increase whatever I earn. If I want to be tapping through 2 at a time, so I can buy this for 2,000 coin. Then same with my energy limit, but for now we don't have much coin. So once you register, how do you increase your coin? That's what we're interested in. So the first thing is, now click this N. Click this. So once you click it, you are going to see the first thing is, you see a daily reward. This one, you don't really need to do anything except for you to make sure you sign in daily to mine without missing a day. So if you sign in for 10 consecutive days without missing, you are at the end, you are going to get nothing less than 5 million. Altogether, as you can see here, you are going to get a total of 6.649 million for signing in for 10 days without missing a day. So this can also help you accumulate more coin. Also, to gain more coin now, you see this, join the Telegram channel. So just click it, then click join. Once you join, click join, come back, then click check. Okay, that has been confirmed. You have been given 1,000 coin. The same thing, click join Telegram group. join, go back, click check. That has been done. Same you can do with Twitter. If you follow their Twitter account, same thing. You take it to Twitter, you follow, you get 500. Then if you invite 3 friends, you get 10,000, and so on and so forth. So let us come back. You can see we have about 4,141 coins now. So how can we increase our mining rate? To increase mining rate passively, you can see here now you are earning 0 per hour. So to increase that, all you have to do is come to this mining, click this mining, this one. Once you click it, you're going to see various, you see PR, markets, legal, and team. So these are where you are going to be earning your passive income. So the first thing you see, this one, to begin to earn 70 coins per hour, you need 500 coins. So for now, do not bother about what you have to lose. The coins you have mined, you have been able to gather. You can dedicate more time. Maybe the first 1 week of mining, dedicate more time to tap to gain enough coin. Then use them to activate so that you can get your passive income. So if I click Facebook, you can see. So I can click go ahead. 500 will be deducted from my coin. Now you can see this has increased. I'll be earning 70 coin per hour. So if within 3 hours, I have not opened this coin to tap, it starts earning for me. So same thing, I can go ahead to choose this, to click Twitter. Okay, go ahead. So plus 80 coin, you can see now I'll be earning 150 coin per hour coins. So you can do same thing. So let us do for medium. Okay, you can see that this one is locked. You cannot participate in it until you get to level 5 of Facebook ads, which is this one. So let us see if we can achieve it. Okay, it might be difficult for now. So we're in level 2. Now we're in level 3. Okay, so when we get to level 5 on this Facebook ad, you see this one will open up. Same thing with this. When we get to level 8 of YouTube, Instagram will open up. Okay, let us proceed to the next one, markets. When you touch, okay, you can see this. Let us say BTC pairs 250. Let me go to level 1. I'll be getting 40 coins. Let me increase to level 2. Okay, Ethereum pair. Let me increase level 1. Let me again increase to level 2. I think I still have enough coin to do that. Okay, I still have 400 coins. Okay, so you see this one now I cannot include because I need about 1,000 to get to level 1 in this. So let me use the remaining 400 to increase to level. Okay, let's check under legal. Under legal, you see you need to invite at least 2 friends to unlock. So if you invite 2 friends, you'll be able to unlock this. Then let's go to team. Once you get to team, you see we have CEO, we have IT team. This one you need about 1,000 coin to upgrade, 2,000 and so on. So for now, try your best. Come back to your exchange to keep tapping and tap. Can make the sacrifice. Then maybe when you come back about 6 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours, 16 hours, and you have been able to accumulate enough coin again, then you can come to this boost. You can come to this boost, and then you can increase your tapping rate and your energy rate. So also, you see, daily you'll be giving 6 full energy which you can use. So if your energy, for instance, your mining year, you finish using this 1,000, you can recharge it 6 good time by going to this boost, clicking this energy, and then go ahead for free for 6 times. So these are ways you can increase your mining in this app. So for those of us who are mining in this app, let us take time. So let us go to main channel account and see, because this is one of our downliner we decided to use to make a video to teach us on how to do it. Let us go to our main account to proceed in this video. So this is our main account. You can see this is Crypto Bounty. Okay, see you. So you can see we are getting 5,000 plus in this. So if you check our mining, you can see the level. In Facebook we are in level 6. In Twitter we are in level 5. So you see, when we get to level, we have been able to activate Medium. We have also been able to activate YouTube. So if I'm able to get to level 8 on YouTube, Instagram will increase. So for now, I don't want to increase anything yet. I just want to wait until I've been able to cross the 1 million threshold that will make me get to the next level. You can see here also, each level you get to, it will increase the tap also. So you see, I'm waiting to get to cross that threshold. Once I get threshold, I'll keep increasing again. So under market, you can see I stopped at the GameFi level 1. So I'm still there. There under Lega, I've been able to invite 2 people. So you can see this one is free. So I can choose to upgrade this just for 100 coins. I can choose to upgrade this for 500 coins. Okay, I can choose to upgrade to level 2. And then this is Lega. Let me see. Okay, let me just choose to upgrade it with 1,000. Yes, it says something. So I've gotten to this level now. I'll keep waiting. I will not activate these ones yet. See, so we have a lot to activate. And then I can go on that team. On that team, see, I have a lot. I'm already in level 1 in CEO, level 1 in IT team, level 1 in marketing, level 2 in partnership program. Okay, let me increase it to level 3. So you can see. So I need to get to level 2 in CEO for me to be able. Okay, let us just experiment this and take the risk. Everything is a risk. You see, CEO, I'm in level 1. So if I must open this now, I must get to level 2 in CEO. So let me increase to level 2 in CEO. So I've increased to level 2, and you can see now this one is open now. Now that is open, I can choose to upgrade to level 1. So now with all the upgrade I have done, if you come back to exchange and you see, you can see that what I'm now mining is about 5.92k per hour. So let me make it 6,000. I just want to make it 6,000. So let me see where I have to upgrade. I have to upgrade 1.5, 1.5. No, I think this is too big. Let me check on the market. Okay, let me see 551. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I'm okay now. You can see that I can now mine 6,000 per hour. So 6,000 after 3 hours without doing anything in the app, it start mining for me. So I'll be getting 6,000. So within 3 hours, that's 18,000. 10 hours, 60,000. So you see, this is how you increase your mining rate in this as Telegram bot, Hamster Kombat, passively, so that you don't have to be coming every time to tap. So keep exchanging, keep winning, keep mining. So to refer others, okay, to get your referral link, this should be the last one. Just come here, click this friends. Once you click this friends, you see, then click invite friends. You can see I have 2 referrals already. So you can click invite a friend. Once you click invite a friend, you see a code will be generated. You can either copy this code, you can either copy the code, which is this one, or you can just choose invite a friend and it will take you straight to Telegram, maybe to share with a group or to share with a friend. Once you are able to share this code, the more people register with your account, the more you gain. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you are yet to hit the notification bell, do that so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Please like this video, give us a thumb up, and give us a positive comment so that the YouTube can recommend this video for others to see. So until we come your way again next time, we remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.